Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shape into a TCL 25G. First of all, go into Play Store and find application X icon editor. This one. So install, wait for downloading and installing. Then open. Then need to close ads, and now need to choose some application, for example this one, Asphalt 9. So first option is background color for this icon, maybe red, black, orange, without color. So then needs choose shape, for example like star or rectangle. Maybe star, it's okay. And for saving this icon, click OK in the right top corner. Wait a second for generating. Sorry, needs close ads one more time. Then need to click add automatically. And now we got a new icon like star for our Asphalt 9. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.